Here's how to create an event in the Event Builder Pro system. So the first time you log in, when you have never created an event before, you're going to have a couple of different options. So the page has a button in the middle that says New Event. You can go to the top right and select New Event, or at any point in time, you can come here to the Event dropdown, click New Event, and they all three take you to the exact same spot. So we're going to come here to New Event. My name is Sean, so we're going to plan my birthday party. So we're going to do Sean's birthday party. We're going to schedule this. So we're in 2025. We're going to come all the way until, let's do this in, say, September. September 25th sounds like a great date. We'll do it on a Thursday. And this is going to be from 5 p.m. It automatically updates with the current date and time that you just selected. So we're going to do from 5 p.m. until 10 p.m. We'll say there's 120 guests. This is for myself. I'm planning this myself. And then if you wanted to, you can select for someone else, in which case you can add a new contact, choose a contact that's already in the system. You can add, if you are on the Pro or the Plus system, you can choose a client or a company, or create a new client, a company. Or then you can select, I'm just going to select back to myself, and we're going to say that this is a private event. We're going to hit create. And that is how you create an event in the Event Builder Pro system. And then it automatically refreshes into the event details for the event that you just created. So now you've got a bunch more options for ways in which you can plan to make your event awesome. You can see that there are sections all along the left side that you can click on and it will take you there. But that's how you create an event in the Event Builder Pro system.